Hi, everybody. Last time I talked about how there are some clients that don't pay in stenography. Today, we're going to talk about how AI is impacting jobs for stenographers.
In the description of my video today, I have a link for registering for the free Zoom Q&A workshop on September 1, 2025 from 8 to 9 a.m. Pacific Time. Hope to see you there. Today we're going to talk about artificial intelligence and how it's affecting the job opportunities for stenographers. First, this is not just true for stenographers, it's true also for other fields such as computer programming. The easy jobs are disappearing because AI has gotten good enough to do them for free for clients who don't need to pay a cart captioner or a broadcast captioner anymore to do those jobs. So what remains are the hardest jobs, like a calculus class in university with a professor who has a foreign accent. That kind of class still needs a live cart captioner, and not only a human captioner, but one who is a clean, real-time stenographer or voice writer. You see, if you're a sloppy stenographer and AI is better than your output, you'll be out of a job and can't perform on such a calculus class where the professor has a foreign accent. I remember one time a CART class that was going to be assigned to me was taken back by the client because they said that the student preferred to use Otter AI and said it was good enough for his English 1A class. Back in the day when I first started as a new CART captioner, I had a lot of English 1A classes to do. Now I never get assigned to one. I've seen a broadcast captioner express interest in becoming a court reporter because she texted in the chat that AI was reducing the number of opportunities for work in broadcast captioning as well. So what does that leave us with? It leaves us with the hardest job of all, being still available and in high demand, court reporting. And it also leaves the highest levels of CART captioning available for the most difficult classes, such as organic chemistry with a Chinese professor, multivariable calculus with an Indian professor, etc. If you are enjoying my video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. I've started this channel for two reasons. One, to show the pathway for students to become clean real-time stenographers. And two, for students who are not suited to stenography to be able to evaluate the pathway and see if they have what it takes and recognize sooner rather than later that they don't want to do it. Because I once overheard a fellow classmate in school saying dejectedly to the instructor that she wished someone had told her in year 1 that she would be stuck at year 5, not being able to finish school because it's too hard for her and she didn't have what it takes. And she hated that she wasted so much money and time trying to achieve something that was not possible for her. She was quite upset about it. It's possible no one told her how much time she had to practice outside of school, or how to practice accuracy above all, and how to do targeted practice. But anyways, I'm getting sidetracked. Back to AI. Artificial intelligence will never replace a clean, real-time human court reporter for a number of reasons. Digital reporters, as they're called, are producing a product that is far inferior to what a clean real-time stenographer can produce. Responsibility for the record must be done by a human and not AI. No matter how good AI gets, it cannot take responsibility for the record the way a human stenographer can. Just like you can be a millionaire, and if you're old and sick in the hospital, your money can't stand up for you and speak on your behalf. You need a human who loves you and has your best interest in mind to speak up for you. So as the career gets harder for new entrants, and we have more and more people trying to become stenographers and going to school for stenography because of the free educational opportunity at West Valley College, this channel aims to provide guidance and understanding so that those who have what it takes and are willing to put in the immense amount of effort to get through school can apply that effort effectively from the start. And those who don't have what it takes can recognize it sooner rather than later and not waste 5 years and get heartache over it.
Okay, so that is how AI is impacting jobs for stenographers and jobs for all kinds of people in the white collar fields. Next time, I will do a raw steno demo, and after that, talk about how self-motivated people are what it takes to get through stenography school. Okay, stay tuned, and also remember to register for the Zoom Q&A, free Zoom Q&A meeting if you want to attend on September 1 from 8 to 9 a.m. 2025.